Let's talk about sheep horns. Here on our farm, we do breed for polled sheep, and polled means that they're lacking horns. However, if both of the parents are heterozygous for the horn gene, you will get horns 25% of the time. Horns can become a problem when they are growing into the animal's skull, into the jaw, or into the eye. Shetland sheep, the horns will often spiral, but you want them to be wide set and away from the face. We will be using the Producer's Pride horn saw kit purchased from Tractor Supply. It's basically a stainless steel wire with handles. Next, I recommend making a notch in the horn where you want to make the cut. I'll be using a file. You need to make the cut where the horn is non-vital, in other words, where there is no blood supply. So as I'm feeling the horn, it's pretty warm. To me, it's starting to feel more cool right here. So to be safe, I would rather be more conservative. You can always cut more next month, etc. So we're going to make a notch right about here. This is where I suspect that I don't feel the warmth as much. So here we go with the notch. And this notch is going to be where we put the wire so I can start sawing it. We don't want the wire to slip around while I'm sawing it. We need that wire to stay put. So by putting a notch in there, I can cut it in the same spot. So there's the notch. So we will now set up the wire and start sawing this. With my leather gloves on, I am going to grab the handles, and the wire is in the notch. My helper is here holding the animal still. We're going to start sawing. Start slow.
Okay, go ahead and go for it.
Might want to move your fingers out of the lower part. There you go. Keep your fingers away. Okay, and just like that, the horn popped up. It does have a pretty nasty odor to it. It's kind of smoky. It stinks. It's kind of cauterizing as it cuts. And you can see that there is no blood. We have successfully stayed away from the vital part of the horn. And yeah, he's got a new look. We're going to repeat the same thing on the second horn. Here's a close-up of the horn that we cut off. And you can see there's no vital blood supply in this portion of it. So that's been removed. All right, here's Cash, all finished and looking much better. Personally, I like trimming this way because I'm not comfortable using a saw. I anticipate I'll be doing this many more times as the growth is most rapid during the first 1 to 3 years of age. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.